Okay, class. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This time we would like to have pembekalan TOEFL ya. I accompany you to have understanding ears, and I hope that you can get your good information related about this skill, especially for the listening skill. The previous skill we have studied about the structures and also the writtens. Now let's focus for the listening one. What happened in the listening here, on the paper TOEFL test, the first section of the paper TOEFL test consists of 50 questions and asks you to listen to the recorded material and respond to the multiple questions. Recording is only played once, and the recording material is not written on the textbook. When you are going to have test, it is only played once, but for your practicing, you may stop and repeat. It's up to you, while having this video. Types of listening test on PBT or paper-based test of all, there we have, short dialogues, long conversation, and talks. What happens in the short dialogues? There are 2 lines dialogues between 2 speakers. Short dialogues. And contains multiple choice. Have 30 short dialogues. Akan ada 30 dialogues over there. Time allocation for 1, 2, and also 3. It is 35 minutes. And 60 to 90 seconds conversation, casual topic between student, and each conversation is followed by number of multiple question. Ini long conversation, jadi 2 orang. But for the talk, this is about the one person, inform or describes about some topics, about school life or academic subjects, and 3 lectures and 11 to 13 question, provided over here. 3 lectures. So of course, in this talk there are 3 parts. The first part for the first lecture, the second lecture, and also the third lecture. Procedure for short dialogues. As you listen short conversation, first one, focus on the second line of the conversation, because there is keyword over there. Keep in mind the correct answer is probably restatement of keyword or idea. Keep in mind that certain structures and expression are tested regularly in listening the short dialogue. And then listen for the structure, expression, the statement, negative, suggestion, passive, who, where, and also agreement that you are going to face for several skills in the listening here. Keep in mind that this question generally progress from easy to difficult. When you get number 1, of course, that would be the easy one. So you have to be focused, start your focus at first. Read the answer, choose the best question. Even if you do not understand the complete dialogue, you still can find the correct answers. Try not to make it blank. You have to fill up. Prepare for the next question. Why? If the dialogue has been informed to you or played for you, and then you get the answers. So you have to prepare yourself for the next questions. This is example for the short dialogue. On the recording you hear, have you finished studying for the math test? Not quite. What does the woman mean? Apa sih yang dimaksud dari woman-nya? Jangan maksud yang dari ini ya. Jawaban yang tepat apa? Is quite finished. She thinks she has a little. Apa she hasn't finished the main test? Nah, clear ya? Bisa ditebak ya? Jawaban yang tepat yang mana? Mungkinkah kalian akan milih she is quite finished with the study? Not quite. Berarti ada similar information, berarti hindari untuk memilih. Yang tepat adalah she hasn't finished atau she has a little more studying to do. Malah nyambung kalian. Let's continue for the exercise for the delta one. Now let's continue for the skill 1, restatement. Restatement. As you listen for the second line of conversation, you should focus on the idea. In that line, if you see the statement of the key ideas in particular answer, then you have probably found the correct answer. Do not choose answers with the word that sound similar to word on the recording. Hindari yang sama. Mungkin kalau tadi terdengar sama di quote-nya, terdengar sama. Itu hindari, itu yang tidak diperbolehkan. Karena biasanya itu pengecoh atau the structure for your understand things later. And for example here, Steve sometimes a little sick ya. Nah, ada kata little ya. Ada kata very look ya. Don't look very good ya. Good looking ya. Ini similar soundnya ada di A, ada di look di C. Padahal jawabannya adalah he is bit ill. I'm feeling little sick. Dia menggunakan bahasa baru ya. Kata baru yang tidak similar dari apa yang diucapkan di atas. Oke, contoh. Number one, what do you like about your new house? It's very close to park. Close to the park, kira-kira apa? Jawabannya adalah Charlie. Near park, ya. Near a park. Dia nggak pakai kata close, tapi yang lain-lain kan ada kata close, car close, ya. Bukan itu jawabannya. Mark said some really nice things to me. He is very grateful for what you did, ya. What does the woman say about Mark? He did a great job. He bought a crate full of fruit. He made grateful himself or he's thankful. Grateful kan terima kasih. He is thankful. Apakah ada similar sound? Tidak. Hindari similar sound dari dialog yang disampaikan. Sam, you have been working at the computer for hours. Yes, and I need to take a break. Nah, take a break berarti apa broke? Komputer broken enggak? Berarti he needs to relax for a while. Hindari similar sound. Jawabannya bravo. Now let's go for the listening here. So I would like to play for the listening. I need you to listen it very well. 1, 2, 3, go. Listen it.
Listening Part A. TOEFL Exercise 1. In this exercise, listen carefully to the short conversation and question on the recording, and then choose the best answer to the question. You should look for restatements of key ideas in the second line. Number 1.
How was the dance last night?
We had such a good time.
What does the woman mean? Number 2.
Are you ready to leave?
I need about 30 minutes.
What does the woman mean? Number 3.
I'm really having trouble in psychology class.
You should talk with the teacher.
What does the man mean? Number 4.
Have you found a job yet?
I actually started my new job yesterday.
What does the woman mean? Number 5.
Do you know why Stan wanted to talk to me?
He needs to find someone to share an apartment.
What does the woman say about Stan?
Okay, from those listening, you may stop or pause for a moment to get the right answers. It's okay. This is for your practicing, but the real test just only once you can listen. You may repeat as you wish to get your right answers. Now let's continue for the skill 2. Negative expression are very common in listening. Jadi kalau ini restatementnya negatif, biasanya jawabannya yang positif ya. Jika ada statementnya yang positif, biasanya jawabannya yang negatif. Look at this table here. Example, not said about the result, the door isn't open ya. Not said berarti correct answer-nya adalah happy. Negative expression ya, not said itu sama dengan happy, right? Door isn't open. Kita cari kata open nggak akan ketemu karena nanti pilihan jawaban biasanya carinya the door is closed. Steve didn't pass class, she failed the class. Didn't pass, dia menggunakan bahasa baru, she failed. Dia juga tidak menggunakan restatement yang sama dengan apa yang disampaikan di soalnya. So this is about the negative skills that you can get this one. It wasn't quiet Nah, nanti di sininya tidak sepi ya, berarti di sininya noisy. That's the right answer here. Nah, Kalau kita cek dari contoh berikut ini, I wasn't very careful. Kan negatif, I wasn't very careful. Berarti apa jawabannya? Ya, careless, dia ceroboh. There is a not ya, atau there is not a lot, nggak banyak. Berarti there is only a little soup. Pilihannya kan ada much ya, like ya. Little, dia pakai bahasa yang lain tapi sama makna dari apa yang diucapkan di second line. There wasn't a cloud in the sky. Berarti apa? Tidak ada cloud. Apakah cloudy? There was a lot of sunshine. Nggak ada mendung dia, ya. Nggak mendung, nggak ada ini, berarti ya sunshine. Cerah mataharinya. Dia pakai bahasa lain, dia nggak pakai kata cloud, atau couldn't, ya. Sky, ya. That is about the way for your understanding in the second skill. Now let's go for the TOEFL exercise ya. You may listen and repeat as you wish ya. After you listen all, then you can get the right answer. Repeat ya. This is only for practicing, but for test no repeating. Time is over later.
TOEFL Exercise 2. In this exercise, listen carefully to the short conversation and question on the recording, and then choose the best answer to the question. You should pay particular attention to negative expressions. Number 1.
Why were you so late getting here?
But I wasn't late.
What does the man mean? Number 2.
Did you bring the book with you?
Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't remember to bring it.
What does the woman mean? Number 3.
Is the baby awake yet?
No, she's not.
What does the woman say about the baby? Number 4.
Are you going on the trip by yourself?
No, I'm traveling with a large group of people.
What does the man mean? Number 5.
Do you have time to go to the park for a while?
Sure, I'm not very busy.
What does the woman mean?
Okay, you may pause ya, and then you may repeat as you wish to get your right answer. This is your not test. This is not test, but this is practicing. Remember about that. Now, let's continue for the skill 3. This is suggestion ya. Kalau ada suggestion, biasanya cirinya why not itu di second line-nya. Let's bla bla bla. Oh, itu masuk kategori skill 3. Kalau skill 3, apa yang terjadi ya? Biasanya sifatnya why don't you call? Kenapa kamu nggak nelpon? Berarti di sininya sarannya apa? Nasihatnya apa? Di sini adalah phoning his family. Bukan call, cari yang similar sound-nya bukan. Talk, bukan talk ya. Ada ke bahasa talk, tapi di sini mengambil bahasa lain tapi makna yang sama. Contoh di sini, let's walk to school instead of driving. Apakah dia walk to school itu kan ayo berangkat ke sekolah berarti kan? Berarti ngajak apa? Let's walk ya to school instead of driving. Taking car to school enggak, orang dia ngajak jalan. Taking walk instead of mendingan jalan-jalan, bukan. Going for drive, beautiful weather enggak, tapi walking to class ya. I've never enough spending money, why not get part-time job? Kenapa enggak part-time job? Dengan part-time job berarti apa? Getting apa spending? Doing better job at work, earning some money. Ya, mendapatkan banyak uang. Why we don't have any plans tonight, do we? No, so why don't we invite some friend over to dinner? Berarti having dinner party kah? Stop ini atau planning trip atau making some new friends? Kenapa nggak invite ini? Gitu kan? What does the woman suggest? Apa yang disuggestkan woman? Saya Kalian juga bisa mendapatkan ya the right answers for the skill tree over here ya. It can be having or stopping, yang nggak mungkin yang mana? Why don't we invite? Kenapa kita nggak invite teman-teman untuk makan malam? Berarti apa? Having dinner party, ya. Dia nggak kata stop, ya. Dia nggak kata plan trip, tidak. Making new friend juga enggak, gitu ya. Oke, continue. Let's go for the listening here, for exercise, ya. Like usual, you may pause or stop practicing, try to get the right answers.
TOEFL Exercise 3. In this exercise, listen carefully to the short conversation and question on the recording, and then choose the best answer to the question. You should pay particular attention to expressions of suggestion. Number 1.
I'd like to work out this afternoon.
Let's go to the gym for a while.
What does the woman suggest? Number 2.
I can't finish the work today. I'm too tired.
Why not finish it tomorrow?
What does the man suggest? Number 3.
It's rather cool in here.
Let's turn on the heat.
What does the woman suggest? Number 4.
My old car has broken down again.
Why don't you get a new one?
What does the man suggest? Number 5.
We've got so many books here. I can't find the one I want.
Let's organize them on the shelves.
What does the woman suggest?
Okay, now let's continue. You may repeat if you still get the right answers to get the right one. Skill 4, this is about the passive common type of questions When we got the statement for the passive one, biasanya jawabannya yang aktif. Tapi kalau kita dapatkan aktif, biasanya jawaban yang pasif. Bisa ditebak ya, bisa-bisa aja kita lihat aja. Kalau banyak pilihan aktif tapi dia pasif, itu kemungkinan. Tapi kita tetap harus mendengarkan dulu dari listeningnya. Is that a new chair? Yes, we just bought it last week So the chair was purchased. Yang lainnya aktif semua kalimatnya atau cuma ini chair was lost. Nah, jadi possibility-nya bisa Bravo, bisa Charlie. Kita tinggal mendengarkan ya. Nah, contoh di sini, I left in the cafeteria. Nah, kita terlihat jawaban yang pasif kan, the notebook was left in the cafeteria, right? Nah, yang kedua, it will be discussed at the meeting tomorrow, akan didiskusikan. Berarti kita cari jawaban aktif ya, hampir semuanya aktif. Kita pahami lagi ya. Akan didiskusikan berarti they will talk about the problem tomorrow. Atau it is a problem to have meeting, atau she needs to make copies for meeting, atau they must discuss whether have meeting. Berarti yang tepat they will talk Dia nggak pakai bahasa discuss tapi menggunakan talk problem. Terus did I correct the paper? I check every single line again and again. Berarti apa? The paper has been thoroughly corrected karena ini yang pasifnya has been thoroughly corrected. Yang lainnya nggak sesuai. Check where every line. Bukan. Tapi he wrote check, bukan dia nulis, tapi dia cek. Wrote check Bahasa yang sama, tapi this is not the right answers. Now let's continue for the exercise for you to listen. 1, 2, 3, go.
TOEFL Exercise 4. In this exercise, listen carefully to the short conversation and question on the recording, and then choose the best answer to the question. You should pay particular attention to passives. Number 1.
Did the package from your family arrive?
Yes, and I already opened it.
What does the woman mean? Number 2.
How's your report coming along?
It was finished this morning.
What does the man imply? Number 3.
Why aren't the children in bed now?
Their parents let them stay up.
What does the woman mean? Number 4.
Why aren't you inside the house?
I lost the key to the front door.
What does the man mean? Number 5.
Where are the flowers that I just picked?
I put them on the dining room table.
What does the man mean?
Okay, now let's continue for the skill 5 yeah, who and where in short dialogue yeah, that would be the easy one. So one day when you get this listening for your test, you must get all the right answers yeah, if you get this skill. And who, of course, there is the who is the woman most likely to be. Ya, berarti apa dengan lihat ketika ngomongin musik ya berarti musician. That would be easy, but you have to focus. Yeah. Remember, your focusing is needed. Yeah, even though the quantity, but you are not focused, you miss the listening. So that would be the problem. And this is where, about the location. You can guess, when you read the option is related about the places. So of course, it is the question where. So you have to focus. Oh, it is about saving account. So of course, it is bank. Now, this example who berarti pilihannya udah kelihatan. Ya, terlihat. Ini siapa, lokasi siapa, ya kan? Who is the woman most like to be? Clue-nya apa? First or second class? Ya, udah terlihat itu. Ya. I'd like to mail. Nah, mail this package postal worker. Berarti $10 a bucket. Berarti flowers. Berarti florist shop. Ini I'll take a seat and you'll have medicine for a moment. Berarti yang ngomong biasanya apa? Apakah dokter? Apakah ini farmasis? Ya, yang tepat adalah farmasis. Who is the woman? Most likely. Now let's go to the listen. Nah, dari sini kelihatan ini lokasi, ini who, lokasi, ini who, ini lokasi. Now listen ya.
TOEFL Exercise 5. In this exercise, listen carefully to the short conversation and question on the recording, and then choose the best answer to the question. You will have to draw conclusions about who and where. Number 1.
Do you want to go into the water?
No, thanks. I prefer to lie here on the sand.
Where does this conversation probably take place? Number 2.
What's the assignment for tomorrow's class?
You should read Chapter 5 and answer the questions at the end of the chapter.
Who is the man most likely to be? Number 3.
Can you tell me how long I can keep these books?
You can check them out for 2 weeks.
Where does this conversation probably take place? Number 4.
Are there many problems with my teeth? I've tried to brush regularly.
I see one tooth that needs to be filled.
Who is the man most likely to be? Number 5.
The seatbelt light is flashing.
Yes, I think we're going to land soon.
Where does this conversation probably take place?
Okay, we got the answer here. This is about TOEFL exercise 5, remember, and make sure you get the right answer. Now let's go to the last skill, for the first session, or the first video that I would like to share. This is question for number 1 to 30 in your test. Skill agreement over here. So I'll say me too, you can say that again. So those are some expressions that you can get for your understanding here. Sometimes that you can, if there is assessment me too, same opinion, share opinion, nggak harus same tapi share opinion. Ayo share opinion gitu ya. Itu pola menjawab di agreement-nya. Kalau ketemu kata me too dan lain sebagainya, ya pilihannya antara same opinion atau beberapa contohnya agree agree. Lihat sini. I'll say, kan berarti agreement skill 6. Berarti cari yang sama-sama meaningnya same opinion. Oh, ini ada. You can say that again. Berarti he agrees about the trip. So bisa ditebak kalau kita terkait dengan optionnya, tapi tetap kita harus 70% kita bisa guess kalau itu pilihan jawabannya kategorinya skill ke-6. Tapi kita tetap clarify, it is right or no. So I overhears, berarti apa? She also thinks. Berarti ada she also, same opinion, sama agree, itu bisa masuk ranahnya skill 6. Dan itu bisa ditebak. Kalau ini bisa ditebak kah? Coba ya. Here's the man's opinion. Yang kita bisa tebak ya. He was also surprised. He agrees. Share the woman's opinion. Also happy. Nanti kita cek lagi apakah sesuai dengan guessing kita pada first step-nya. 1, 2, 3, go. Let's listen.
TOEFL Exercise 6. In this exercise, listen carefully to the short conversation and question on the recording, and then choose the best answer to the question. You should pay particular attention to expressions of agreement. Number 1.
I think we should visit Sam in the hospital.
Me too.
What does the woman mean? Number 2.
The news really surprised me.
You can say that again.
What does the woman mean? Number 3.
I think it would be nice to have a pet.
So do I.
What does the man mean? Number 4.
That movie was so boring.
I'll say,
What does the man mean? Number 5.
I'm so glad those 3 classes are over.
You can say that again.
What does the woman mean?
Okay, those are for the TOEFL exercise 6 this skill it is usually can be found This can be found in number 1 until number 30 Kan ada 3 short dialogue, long conversations, and also long dialogue atau long speech untuk yang ketiganya. Untuk yang skill 8, 9, 10 itu biasa 7, 8, 9 itu nanti ranahnya biasanya untuk di yang ke long conversation. Nah, untuk yang long speech itu ada di skill 10, 11, dan juga 12. Untuk video berikutnya, let's see for the next video ya. Thank you very much for this session. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See ya for the next video.